start of the ride is normal,
but eventually you will find road full of thick dust.
The storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now, I don't know if I'll ever arrive. Where the grass is green, we're still alive.
there's this very steep declining off-roading patch. Rear tire of the bike is moving left and right.
Into the black hole. Sing for my soul. Through the black hole.
Eventually, we made it to Pune campsite.
Early morning, we start our trek to Phuktal.
We are going towards Bhutan Monastery, which is a 1 hour walk from Pune.
अभी इस इलाके में ना हमें चल के अभी 2 घंटा हो गया 2 घंटा तो ज़्यादा हो गया और इस रास्ते में ग्रे वाला बालू भी आता है, हमने सुना है, देखा तो नहीं।
अभी हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं एट फुक्तर मोनेस्ट्री।
Heading back from the track, we start our ride to Gombo Ranjo.
The road is complete off-road.
When we arrived at the location, we were looking for the road, but there was no road. Suddenly we got to know that we need to cross this long stretch of river.
It was evening time, so the flow of the water was at its peak.
You can't imagine, but the water was flowing just at the level of feet.
ऑलमोस्ट 80% ये ऑफ रोड है। हमारा ये सजेशन रहेगा लोगों से कि जो भी इस रूट पे आ रहा है प्रॉपर बैकअप और प्रॉपर गियर के साथ राइड कीजिएगा, क्योंकि इतना पानी है यहाँ पे, ये बाइक अकेले निकालना लगभग इम्पॉसिबल है।
It is not an easy path. Not every driver can just go and say, yeah, we will do Zanskar.
आज हम गोम्बो रंजन में, गोम्बो रंजन बहुत ही होली प्लेस है, तो लोग यहाँ पे स्पेशल इसके दर्शन के लिए आते हैं। तो आज हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे, शायद हम जिस्पा या केलोंग में स्टे करेंगे।
till we reach the Shingula Pass. The road is complete off-road.
After Shingula, the bike was moving like a hot knife through butter.
We end our day at Jispa. Longest route of the trip, 230 kilometers, that is today.
Please don't, stranger, please don't.
Today is the day we took shortcut route Y22 Gatalogs.
तू कोई भी हिमालयन बेसिक्स उठा करके दिखा
Continue.
Just before Pang, we did some off-roading. The most difficult thing is at 8 p.m. in the night, we are crossing Tanglangla Pass.
From here on, we start wrapping up things.
The last day is only 75 kilometers. At the end, we will say,
Life is short and the world is wide.
the biggest adventure you can take is to live life of your dreams.
Some would say I'm insane and they're riding away, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. Want your pandemonium.
Hi, my name's Hannah. I'm from Dublin in Ireland. I've been in Ladakh for almost 2 weeks. Really stunning landscape, beautiful mountains and valleys and really wonderful people. It's my first time in Zanskar and I've been blown away by this place, by the wildlife, by the environment and the hospitality of the community. It's very sad to see so much development, I suppose, in such a sensitive place, but you know, the people, I suppose they're getting a lot of benefit from the tourism that's coming. I think with climate change, this is going to present some challenges in the long term, but hopefully they'll have the resilience to be able to adapt.